you sharpen your pencil like this is not the proper and clean way to sharpen the pencil. Once you have Tic Tac candy, don't throw the container. You can make your pencil sharpener out of it. Remove the label, take off the white cap, fit the sharpener to the cap. Choose the one which is smaller than the cap. If the sharpener is loose, you can use the hot glue gun to secure the cap. Now, place the white cap back into its place, and the pencil sharpener is ready. Sharpen your pencils, and the container keeps the trash inside. Experiments is so fun! Now, we are going to show you how to make your very own invisible ink. What you are going to need is one sheet of paper, one lemon, and a lighter. Use lime juice as your ink, and then start to write your message on one side of the paper. You can write any message you like. Make sure you write clearly. You could use this method to write secret messages to your friends and family, something you don't want another one to know about it. When you finish writing, once it's done, wait for it to get dry. Then lighten up the lighter and hold the paper at a safety distance away from it. And the secret message appears. What an amazing experiment! I'm gonna show you how to make yourself a really good cheat notes. Just write or type the important information you will need on your text. Fold it into your accordion manner. Glue one end to the first aid dresser. Put on the first aid dresser somewhere around the width. And now it's showtime! Whenever you get a chance during the test, use your cheat and put it back. Oh, it's the best, huh? Roll compass using two pens. Hold the pens together and adjust them with your fingers, like this. Now, draw the circle. This hack is seriously mind-blowing since we are doing a rainbow marker. I'm going to use pink and orange highlighter and a yellow one as the main marker. But feel free to change the color if you want. Very carefully press X1 on each side of the yellow marker. Like I'm doing here, the yellow ink is going to absorb the pink and orange, and this is how the rainbow marker should be look like. Pretty easy, right? Can make a bouncing ball from a thin elastic. Let's make them together. We need a lot of elastic from various colors. Take one and tie a knot. Wrap around another band. Continue wrapping the bands. Alternate the colors. Try to shape the ball. We have got it! This pretty little ball can fit in your hand, and let's see what it can do. Try to erase a pencil. It is a two-in-one thing in a school supply.